Ready to simplify your daily payments? Setting up your GrabPay wallet is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your Grab app. If you don't have it, download it from your app store and sign up for a Grab account. Now, look at the bottom menu bar and tap the Payment tab. You should see an option to set up or activate your GrabPay wallet. Tap on it. To comply with regulations, Grab needs to verify your identity. This is known as KYC, or Know Your Customer. At this stage, you'll be asked to provide your full legal name and your ID number, like your MyCat or passport number. Enter these details carefully and tap Submit. Congratulations! Your basic GrabPay wallet is now active, and you can start using it for cashless payments for your Grab rides and food orders. To unlock more features, like higher wallet limits and the ability to transfer money to other users, you will want to upgrade to a premium wallet. To upgrade, find the Upgrade Now or Verification option within the Payment tab. You'll typically need to take a clear photo of your identification document, like your ID card or passport, and in some countries, a selfie for a live verification check. Follow the on-screen instructions for taking clear photos. While you wait for verification, secure your new wallet by setting up a Grab PIN. Go to the Account tab, tap Settings, and then Set up a PIN. Choose and confirm a unique 6-digit code. The final step is to fund your wallet. Back on the payment screen, tap Top Up or Cash In. You can choose to add a credit/debit card, use online banking, or select a cash-in partner. Enter the amount and confirm the transaction. And that's it. With your GrabPay wallet set up, verified, and topped up, you're all set to enjoy seamless, cashless payments across the entire Grab ecosystem and with thousands of merchants. Go make your first GrabPay transaction.